Sometimes you can step outside and just see a little white wisp. Other times, the whole sky just lights up. The great thing about Fairbanks is you can see the northern lights as soon as mid-August, all the way until mid to late April. Fairbanks is a wonderful town that has large town amenities, but also a small town feel, and just minutes away you can drive out and explore Alaska's wilderness. One of my favorite things to do is float down the Chena River on a canoe. And if you don't feel very comfortable in a canoe, you can always take one of our stern wheelers up the river on either a dinner cruise or a summer cruise. Angel Rocks is a really special place. It's a short drive away from downtown Fairbanks. It's a beautiful hiking trail that is about a 3-mile loop, but you get some great elevations and good scenery. Just outside of Fairbanks, there's a place called Chena Hot Springs, because there's an outdoor hot spring, and it can be 0 degrees outside, and you can be in 100-degree water. In the interior of Alaska, we have a lot of wildlife. We have moose, caribou, bears. And Denali National Park's a great place to go and see all of them. In Fairbanks, there's a lot of good places to try out gold panning. You're going to try to pan for gold where gold was first found in the interior. In our community, we have a lot of different influences from around the world. I really like and enjoy the Alaskan native culture that we have. Up on the University of Alaska Fairbanks campus, they have the Museum of the North. It touches on native culture, art, climate, animals. Dog mushing is where you take a sled and you harness up a few dogs. It's amazing to see or try in person, and it's really impressive how much the dogs love to run. Seeing ice art in Fairbanks is a really easy thing to do. You can go right downtown to the Ice Museum. Even if it's 75, 80 degrees out, they have ice carvings inside. Just a short 20-minute drive out of the city center, and it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. No mailboxes, no electrical lines. Off the grid really means something in Fairbanks.